up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the birthday series where I am creating all types of looks that you can rock on day-to-day basis or especially on your birthday, as I am. So this has been so much fun, like doing this. I have to be honest, this is really testing me right now because busting out 22 looks back to back to back is very difficult. Your girl's skin is suffering. So I am planning on doing a skincare video instead of a makeup look. So we're just gonna call that birthday skincare. Actually, let's call that skincare for a flawless birthday look. How about that? I have some new things that I've been trying that I've been really loving, including a couple makeup tools that are actually pretty bomb. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. So for tomorrow, I will have a birthday skincare video for you guys. So stay tuned for that one. And yes, but for this look, I busted out the Riviera palette. This is one of my favorite palettes because the pink in here and the purple are so vibrant. They are not splotchy. This purple, girl, this purple is everything. Like, it's so beautiful. Look at it. I was going to throw some glitter on here again, but honestly, I don't feel like it needs it. This Mediterranean color is in the center. You know, I'm coming back with the halos because that is my preferred eye shape. It's just so complimentary. I also like that, like, real intense cat eye that's just snatched up. I like snatching my hair up for intense looks because I just feel like it gives me a natural facelift. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy it. This video was made with a lot of love for you guys, and it's just really fun to recreate these looks. I have some glossy lips for you guys also. So if you want to learn how to create this look, then keep watching this video. Okay, so we're gonna go straight into the eye tutorial, but my base is already done. I'm already baking and I'm setting everything, but I want to tell you guys what's on my base. So you guys know I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This foundation is so awesome, and it's a drugstore brand, but it's awesome, you guys. So if you're looking for a drugstore foundation, I recommend this one. And for my concealer, again, I use the CoverGirl concealer. This is also really great. And what else did I do? Obviously moisturize and prep my skin. And for baking on my face, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Setting Translucent Powder. I really like this powder because it doesn't leave me caked out. And those are my base products. So let's get into this tutorial and we will continue. this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys recreate this look, and if you do, don't forget to tag me on my Insta. My social media accounts are linked down below. And as always, for your mouth fact today, you know, I'm just like thinking, like, I don't think I have 22 things that are that interesting about me, so it's gonna be difficult. So I'm gonna have to really think about the rest of these. But one thing that probably the people that watch me on here and don't really know that I have been is that I was a personal trainer. That was pretty awesome. Part of my life. Again, I feel like all of the places my life has taken me, I have made amazing friends and just build like long lasting relationships. So yes, I was a personal trainer and I worked for a couple years as a personal trainer. I do not do this anymore, but I am trying to get back into a fitness journey. Like, I want to get back to being that person that I was when I was a personal trainer, completely active, constantly being active, constantly focusing on my health, and that is what I want to get back to. So that is your Mel fact for today. I don't know if these are like interesting things, but you know, I was thinking, I'm like, I don't think I have 22 things that are that cool about me other than this, but I just want to tell you guys kind of like different things that just make me who I am now, and that's what I got for you guys. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you as always. Adios.